Good evening. Good evening. It's Friday the 29th of September. It's coming up to 8 o'clock. It's about 10 to 8. And I'm down at the usual spot, down off the airport road in the big car park. And this is a different view than I normally give you, because normally I'm videoing during the day. So I thought I would give you a nighttime view of the comings and goings, and particularly the cruise ship comings and goings. There's a vessel going in there just now. It's altogether a different world at night. Quite magical in many respects. Norwegian Dawn should be getting underway. She came in at 12 o'clock today, which is a late entry to Belfast Port, but she stayed a few hours longer. Normally these cruise ships head off in round 6, but she has stayed to 8 o'clock. And finally the Norwegian Dawn is heading off. She's about 40 minutes late. And very pretty looking too. And the Norwegian Dawn, I don't know if you can see this. It's hard to see, but they have the Norwegian Dawn and there's a bit of it. The Norwegian Star have a wonderfully painted hull. And I believe the Norwegian Star's in tomorrow. That looks good. What can I tell you about the Norwegian Dawn? It's about 92,250 tons, 15 decks, and built in 2002 by Mein-Werf Papenburg, Germany. Carrying, I believe, somewhere 2,200 and something passengers, and a bit over 1,000 members of crew members. And this is looking very pretty with all our lights on there. And back in 2002, when she was built, she cost $450 million. give you the exact passenger numbers. It's 2,340 and 1,032 crew members. And it's making good headway. Sister ship to the Norwegian Star, as I said. I've covered it all. There's a few people down having a wee Jeff Duke. There she goes. And Godspeed and good health to all who travel in her. And I would love to go and have a wee holiday on one of these cruise ships. Never have, but maybe next year. We'll see. Down Belfast Lough. Cruise ship goes out, plane comes in. And there he goes. And the Norwegian Dawn well on her way. And the cruise ship season for Belfast will soon be over. Just another few ships to come in. Now it's been another very successful year.